नमस्कार। आज मैं जो ईमेल सर्कुलेट किया है सोसाइटी ने, अभी सोसाइटी बोलेगा तो देयर इज ओनली 2-3 पीपल इन द मैनेजिंग कमिटी हु आर डूइंग ऑल द थिंग्स। सो आई विल नॉट से इट्स एंटायर मैनेजिंग कमिटी व्हिच इज रिस्पांसिबल। तो जरा ऑडिटर के बारे में मैं बात करूंगा। पहले मैं वाणी जी का चरण स्पर्श करता हूँ। द ग्रेट वाणी is such an honest person, let me tell you. You will never find such an honest person anywhere in the world. Had Alfred Nobel known about some honest person is going to be there like this, he would have certainly created an award in name of for honesty. Let me tell you, he always thinks what honest statement he should make. He is always thinking about it, or what honest email he should make. He is really great. He wrote new dictionary, he wrote new bylaws, he also wrote new society act. So you can understand his ability to write all the things. So he is not an ordinary man, he is an extraordinary man. And we are blessed to have such a person as our chairman. I mean it, really great person is. Now second, another great person is our Manjari madam. She is so great. This is amazing that her capacity to create anything is amazing. You can't just imagine. She can make minutes of meeting which are never held. So she can do all the things. She's so creativity she has got. She ensures that all children are well taken care of. She ensures that all we have a good party. So absolutely she is great. Absolutely means these are amazing people. But you know, they never take credit for the work which they do. They never. Have you seen any of the email which is addressed by Mr. Vani? Certainly no. They never take any credit. All credit they give it to our Amit Pandey. So they never take the credit. The way auditor is appointed, never the Vani sir never take the credit for this. Certainly there is no issues that when it comes to appointment of auditor, it is a prerogative of the society, and an auditor can be appointed for 3 years, no doubt it. Auditor appreciates Mr. Vani to an extent that he gives an appreciation letter of appreciation. It's really, we are blessed that we have Vani sir. Now coming to the point of auditor. I truly accept what your Vani sir has stated in the email. That auditor, how the auditor was appointed can be seen in the 2017. This is a video recording of it, so which I am sharing with you.
Number 6, to appoint an auditor for the audit from the panel approved by state government. Item number 7, to receive from the committee the annual return as stipulated in section 75 2A.
Discussions. The society has received consent from number 1, Mr. Manoj Mantri, certified auditor, 2, DB Nirhani and Co. CA. The number 3, the society has option to leave it to the registering authority to appoint government certified auditor. As for the approval of the AGM, annual return will be submitted to registrar. Number 1, name of the auditor, consent, qualification, experience, etc.
So out of these 3, who should be selected? Which option we should go for? Number 1, number 2, number 3.
If you go to the government auditor again, he will give you Marathi. Same problem will complete.
That is the only problem. That I have already clarified. Next year will go further. There is no difficulty.
Translation.
If everyone wants translation, Translation translated. Okay. So we should go for government audit.
With an English report.
With an English
With an additional English report.
Okay.
मराठी में आने का additional English.
Item number 8.
To consider any other matter.
So it can be seen that our great Vani uncle has appointed Manoj Matre as an auditor. The AGM never appointed Manoj Matre as an auditor. But Vani sir has always a love affair for the auditor. Because what happens is that they give a certificate which Vani requires, Vani uncle requires, sorry, maaf karo Vani uncle. And whatever certificate auditors require, Vani uncles give it. So they have a love affair, basically. I don't, not in that sense, but they appreciate like each other. Now take even this thing, share certificate issue also, share issue also. Our share is increasing, paid up share capital. Really, these people are great. Let me tell you, I am dealing with that in separate this thing. So auditor report is really great, amazing auditor report they are, audit reports are, because these people have always signed this audit report. 19 lakh or 18 lakh was there in the reserve fund. They have signed it. So they sign whatever auditor says, they sign it honestly. But when you ask them question, they doubt the audit report. They say audit report is not proper. They don't have account. They have to reconcile it. For last 4.5 years, they are reconciling the audit report. Really, these people are great, amazing people. Even builder has certified them as a good people. So Vani uncle doesn't want that builder's property we should take. He is very right that open property belongs to builder. So he has not done anything. That is the reason Vani uncle has ensured that conveyance doesn't take place. For 4.5 years, no application is made for conveyance. Even as per my understanding, even last Thursday, means around end of May till end of May, no application was done. That's what my understanding. I may be wrong. Society can circulate the document. I don't know. But that's what information I got from DDR's office. That is the reason Vani uncle didn't take any steps against the developer. Because he feels, no, we should not take, we should help the developer. Yes, we should help the developer, Vani uncle. Because if we take money from him around recovery, which are according to Vani uncle is something 43 lakhs, people contribution will reduce. But Vani uncles, according to Vani uncle, that should not happen. Member should contribute for all the things. Builder is something, a special person. He should not ask him money. We should not take any proceeding against the builder for recovery of the money. He's really great uncle. Just namaskar Vani uncle को please आपके चरण छू रहा हूं मैं इसके. Thank you.